Well, Merry Christmas, y'all. It's Christmas night, about 9:15. It's 18 degrees out. It is 9:15 at night. Me, Randy, and Daryn are heading out on a 9-hour overnight run. Stick around, stay tuned, find out what we're doing, where we're going. Somewhere in the middle of West Virginia. It's 7 in the morning. We just stopped and got fuel. It's 10 degrees outside and we are back on the road trucking. Well, we made it. Welcome to Rocket Chassis.
We've had a car fall off of that.
Dude, I'm telling you, that would be horrible.
A windstorm took it over the bank one time.
Yeah, because I don't know how tight they had it tied down. I had no idea yet. I don't know. He's loaded it.
No, him and George.
Fucked up. Where you got the remote, Chris?
It's on the pit box. Daryn's new 2023 XR1. Well, Daryn's car's in.
What's that? Daryn's all nervous about shit. I mean, I can't come home with more fucked up shit or my old man's gonna fucking... I mean, it ain't...
Dane Dacus's car.
You can blame it on me, it's all good. I can handle it. So, whatever. You think it's okay, that's fine. Yeah, I think we're good.
We are loaded down with all kinds of parts.
Alright. I'm jumping in the truck.
Pennsboro Speedway.
I hope he does that. And he'd make life so much fucking simpler. I mean, I know it sucks to give a $600 nose away.
It's just in your back of your mind. It's in the back of his mind, and that car's been so good to you guys, and he's worried that one of these other cars ain't gonna be as cars ain't gonna be as good. I get it. And I believe me, I'm a big believer in fucking when you got a good one, you got a good one. Yeah, I get it. But I feel like you're gonna be okay because of you with either one of these cars we got. So
and
I'm terribly concerned.
In the back of his mind, he has to know, and I've already told him this, I want to get back to one car. Yeah. There is no reason for us to have two cars floating around. I would rather have one car and a ton of shit to put on it, like 2 spare bodies laying around and a couple noses picked up from Rocket that are already ready to put on. You know, I would rather have that to where we could beat the fuck out of the thing than I would. Yeah. And maybe I'm wrong in thinking that. Maybe we should try to have a second car.
I think the only way it's good to have a second car is if you got 3 motors. I don't think it's good to have 2 cars ready to go if you only got 2 motors.
at the truck stop filling up. My God, is this thing nasty. It's not gonna be fun washing this thing. Gee, my criminy. Everything seems to be riding okay. Daryn forgot to plug the back door in when he closed the gate. We got back door lights now.
I know.
Had just over a quarter tank. That's what it took to fill it up. So a little bit about this deal here. Back in the end of September, they tried buying the 2 car and he did not want to sell it at that time. So they went ahead and ordered this brand new car that we just picked up this morning. Then towards the end of November, Alan called and said he wanted to sell it all. It was a pretty good deal, so they bought it all. And now they have decided to sell the car we ran this year and last year, the 2018. This new car is different than the black 2 car, so we're kind of anxious to see which one Daryn's going to like the best. Trip's going pretty good so far. It is 10 after 1 here in Columbus as we're trekking back towards St. Louis. Figure why I'm sitting here riding, might as well start editing the video. I use a MacBook Pro to edit the videos on, and the program I use is Adobe Premiere Pro to do all the editing in. Now we got freezing rain and ice. Been one heck of a trip home. It's not been a very fun trip home. I don't know if you can see, but it's snowing its butt off right now. Just left Daryn's house heading to the race shop. Well, we made it back to the shop finally.
Yeah, that'd be a lot easier.
Yes, same, man. You look great.
I love that quarter panel.
That's an MD3, not the stack that we were running.
I bet you that holds up better. It definitely holds its shape a lot better.
Kept warning me that you're going to get knocked on your ass.
She's dirty. Oh, when we stopped in Columbus and got gas, it was a solid sheet of black ice, pretty much 3/4 of the way down the door.
Who's driving, Chuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one finally shot crack.
Well, he ain't getting that in there any straight, is he?
That way.
He's keep cutting it. I don't know that the truck's gonna. Yeah, pull up, straighten it up. Watch that side. He's just sliding now.
Is he?
He had the brakes on and was sliding.
How bad were the roads when you hit on them? When you hit the line?
We didn't. It was all going, like everything that crashed was going east.
Straight back now.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God. They're gonna try and wash it Wednesday. Thanks for watching. That was our trip to Rocket. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Everybody have a safe and happy new year, and we will see you then.